In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can activate the developer options and also the debug for the USB in a Android 11 smartphone. Now, to activate this particular function, you need to be inside the settings. So you can look for the settings icon in your desktop screen. In my case, I'm going to scroll from the bottom here and I have my settings right here. So I will open up the settings, and here you need to go to About Phone, and once you're here you need to tap 7 times on this version here. So I'm gonna go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. And you can see there that it's telling me that I'm already a developer because I've already activated this. So it's there you go, no need, you are already a developer. So the first time you need to tap 7 times in a row to activate the advanced options, which are gonna lead you to the developers option. So I'm gonna show you then what you have to do. You go back here in the general settings and you go all the way down, searching for additional settings. This is the one that you want to click on or tap on. There you go. Now, when you activate the developer version of these settings, you can go again all the way down and you will see here developer options. If you don't do the previous step of tapping 7 times, you won't see this voice here and you will only see the enterprise mode, but you need this one to get the debug USB. So you click here, these are activated, and then you have a lot of different settings here which are pretty important, but this is the one that you want to use if you want to, let's say, work as a developer, install stuff or application inside your smartphone to test it and so on. So you just switch this on and the job is done. So this will be all for this quick video guide. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, check our other videos, and write your comments, questions, suggestions, and see you in the next video.